Hey guys, welcome to Freelancer Web Guru channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to convert your PC to server to access on public internet. So you have to require the XAMPP server. I'm gonna open the XAMPP server and ensure that both MySQL and Apache are running on the XAMPP server. Right? In my case, both are running. So now it's time to create account in the Packetriot. So I will provide the link up this website in the video description, and you have to create your account using email and password, and also specify whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. So in my case, my operating system is 32-bit, so I'm gonna click on download and download the file from here. Scroll down, here you will see different files, 32-bit and 64-bit, right? So in my case, my operating system is 32-bit, so I have downloaded the 32-bit file, and let's check inside the document. So this one is my file. Now I'm gonna copy the file path, and let's add this file path in the environment variable. So I'm gonna search here environment variable, click on edit the system environment variable, and then click on environment variable, click on path, add new path. So I'm gonna add new path and then click on OK, and let's click on OK, click on OK. Right, now the path is successfully added. Once the path is added, it's the time to run the cmd command, and don't worry, I will provide this cmd command in the video description. So now we will configure the Packetriot. So I'm gonna open the command cmd prompt. So I'm gonna search here for cmd and open the command prompt, run as administrator, and here we will write the command to configure the Packetriot. So I'm gonna just write the command pktriot.exe config, right, and then hit the enter button. So here you will see the path. So I'm gonna copy this path and just open this path in my computer. So I'm gonna open this path, paste the path in the new tab. So I'm gonna paste it, and then I'm gonna open the file path. Okay, so now the file has opened successfully, and we will do some setting here. Okay, back to the cmd command, and put your email and password. Inside the Packetriot, you have already created an account using email and password. Just use that email and password here. So I'm gonna write here my email, and then I'm hit the enter button, and then I'm write my password. So I have already used this password in the Packetriot. Okay, now authenticated. So it's the time to choose the region for the server to connect. So in this case, I'm gonna select the third option, Europe Central. So I'm gonna write here 3 and then hit the enter button. Okay, now it's successfully configured, right? So I'm gonna here you will see the host name and also the server. Okay, this one is the host name, and here you will see the host name as successfully updated inside this config.json file, right? So this one is the host, server host. So now I'm gonna refresh it, and you will see here it's assigned successfully. The host name is assigned, and also the server is also assigned, right? And now I'm gonna back to the cmd, and here we will write a command to edit the tunnel name. So I'm gonna write here pktriot.exe, and then I'm gonna write here the edit and double dash name. So I will write the name for the tunnel here. You can also type any name. So I'm gonna just write name to update. So I'm gonna run the command, and now the tunnel name is successfully updated. So let's try to refresh the site. Yes, the tunnel name has successfully updated. Let's add HTTP. So I'm gonna copy the command. So I'm gonna copy these commands and paste inside the command prompt. So now we will change the domain name here, the host name. So I'm gonna copy the host name from the Packetriots. So this one is my host name. I'm gonna copy this and let's update it in the command. So I'm gonna paste here and then I'm gonna hit the enter button to run this command. Okay, now the HTTP is added successfully. Let's verify the HTTP is added or not. So I'm gonna run the command pktriot.exe info. Let's see the info. Very good. Here you will see HTTP as successfully added. And here the HTTP you will see 8080 is the port number, right? This is the Apache port number. So this command here you will see this one as the domain name, the tunnel domain name, and this one as the HTTP, and this one is also the domain name, and here you will see this one is the port number, right? 80 is the port number. You can update according to your port number this command. So let's verify, and here you will see Apache port number is 80. Okay, so the HTTP has successfully applied. Run the command to make the domain live and accessible from everywhere. So on the right here the command pktriot.exe, and then I'm gonna write here start and then press the enter button. So here you will see HTTP service that failed to start. So inside the message domain is not associated to the user, right? Okay, so now we will change the name inside the config.json file, and we will change this domain. So I'm gonna copy the domain from the Packetriot. So I'm gonna copy this host name and paste inside the config.json domain. So control S. Now I'm gonna save this file, and then I'm gonna control C to back to the command. So again control C. Okay, now two time control C, we will write the command here pktriot .exe start. Okay, here you will see HTTP services running successfully, right? And now we will copy this domain name and visit in the Chrome browser. So I'm gonna visit here. Okay, now we will just create a new file in the htdocs, inside the htdocs, and access here. Okay, so I'm gonna back to the C, and here inside the XAMPP I'm gonna click on htdocs, and then inside the htdocs I'm gonna create a new file, a new folder. So the name of this folder just testing, right? So inside this testing folder we will create a new file. So just I'm gonna open this in the Visual Studio. So I'm gonna open folder, I'm gonna copy, open the folder here, click on XAMPP. Inside the XAMPP my folder is inside the htdocs. So I'm gonna click on testing and then select the folder. Inside the testing folder I'm gonna create a new file index.php, and here I'm gonna write just a dummy text. So I'm gonna write the text here. I'm live on public internet. Okay, save this file and let's visit the domain. So here I'm gonna write my project name. So this inside the htdocs, here you will see this one as the project name testing. Okay, after the domain name I'm gonna write the project folder name. Now the index file is accessible. So using this method you can upload a WordPress project or any other project to a local server and access it live from anywhere. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.